Hi, welcome back to D1 trade. This is D1. So we below the account yesterday. So today we resume with a new challenger account. And today is December the 9th, 10 a.m. PST. This looks like a upward trend, but for Nasdaq, for NQ. But if you look at ES, that's not necessarily the same because for ES it's like reversal and downtrend confirm. And this is a retest get defended by ENA 9. Well, this is the price action is above ENA 9, so probably like it gets defense here. So this is where the divergence happen. So while the volatility is not big, let's see from the all day low 560 to 720 or 730 it's less than 200 points. All day low to all day high, less than 200 points. So it's not that volatility. So I increased the position a little bit. It's 4 and 8 for NQ and ES respectively. So obviously for ES is sideway. I mean, nothing is obvious, but now this is obvious. It's still in sideway. The buyers and sellers are battling, and no result come out. It looks like buyers and sellers are even at this time. But ESS shows some downtrend. If we look at the 1 hour, okay, get resistance. This is the resistance level and get bounce back. Something here, and it's always like the ENA 9 is finished the ENA 21, and it looks like this is a rubber band and trying to push up. What about NQ? Oh, NQ is like okay, it's still like get defended here. Looks like gonna go down. It's gonna go down. If we look at 1 hour, this is the resistance level, so be careful. This is the resistance level. So if we want to go long, make sure it break out this. There is a meaningful breakout for this resistance level. This to prove that somebody gonna bounce back and retest and showing an upward covering candle. Then we can go up. We cannot go up this time. Like even it shows this theta like it's going up. We cannot go out this time because this is the resistance level. But what if we want to go short? Okay, this is already a range. So if we showing some downward covering candle in 5 minutes, something like this, let's wait for it to touch the bounce back power. The seller sets the limit order here possibly, but whenever it shows some downward candle, then we can go down. We can go short. Oh, I mean that's for ES. Probably at this time I will trade ES because ES shows some downward, but it's very risky to trade to go short for NQ something. If I wanna go down, then I'll probably trade ES. Um, so this time for ES is not good for either up and down. Probably it will arrive here and show some downward momentum. So let's wait. And again, even it reaches here, it keeps going up. It's not okay. We go long because this is in, we can see it's still in the resistance level. We want to see a meaningful breakout and retest and resume upward. And obviously, this is a critical price level. This is a resistance, and this is a support. Later, after it break out, it becomes support level. So And even it break out this trend line, then it gets resisted. It gets rejected by this support level, bounce back. So this is something support. Hold on. The key is to wait for the compression of the candle. You can say, hey, this candle, the upward momentum keep decreasing. No, maybe it's just consolidation. Just take a rest, something. So, and even, okay, you show some downward. This is a 5-minute candle, okay. Then we would like to wait for the compression of this candle. Oh, it looks like it gets rejected. Let's see, let's see 3 minute. Okay, you show something like this. 3 minutes shows something like this. Wow, to go short at NQ is a little bit risky. So I will probably go short. Yes. Looks like ENA 21 is meaningful. And you already covered the previous upward candle for NQ is hesitate. Oops. So it breaks this line, so I can maybe step here, wait for it to retest to here and pick me up. Now NQ is not willing to go down, it seems. Overall, NQ has intention to go up. While ES is just sideways, and from 1 hour, it should go down. No, it should, it's just sideways here. Oh, wait a minute, ES is already in the middle, but NQ is at the top. So I changed my idea. Yeah, to go short at the top. Go short at the top and in the middle. If it's in the middle, don't trade. Okay, let's see if it gets defended by yen and 9 and bounce back, pick us up. So the stop loss will be somewhere here. It cannot be higher. If it's higher, then yeah, then it bounce back. Trusty, it will retest to here. Covering candle. Theoretically, I should wait for a breakout and close underneath this level to confirm downward trend and retest and downward something. But I think it has shown some momentum. It has reached the upper bound of the range and shows downward momentum, which is aligned with our setup, entry setup. So it keeps going down, it does not retest. After two candles, then we were gonna cancel this limit order because it's gonna conceal. It will probably conceal the power, the downward power, and buyers could resume. And this time, it could continue sideways around here and here, or well, let's draw the trend line first. Maybe draw something like this. ENA9, see if you can break out. Well, we also want to draw allow in parallel. Oh, it reaches here. So we'll see the reaction here. This is the double top. I think it's gonna retest somewhere here. Triple top before it really flush to the downside. Let's see. I don't see any RSI divergence. This is a little bit higher than here, so it's a little bit higher here. But here is higher. They are equal height, but price action is way higher than here. So there is some RSI divergence here. Upward momentum is lower here. That's well. Oh, it got rejected by ENA 21. But yes, this is in the middle. So it is arriving here and it shows a downward, then I'll probably go short. Oh, you're gonna resume, pick us up. But this looks like micro liquidity speed. Then the uptrend resumes. We'll see. Oh, Jesus. Trend line. Something like this. And what about here? Okay, in that way, that looks like almost in parallel sideway consolidation. So for ES, we cannot conclude that it's going short because it's in the middle of the range. Go long at a lower bound go short at the upper bound when the confirmation signal appears. And when you break out, okay, set out a new range. It means set out a new range and redefine the lower bound and upper bound. Will you come back, pick us up? This is uptrend, so it's very risky to go short. But for ES, this is downtrend. And ES shows downward intention. See? Get rejected by ENA9. So probably cannot. Oops. Suddenly, it get us on board. So seller step in. Come on. Seller step in and push it down. Realistic. Something is right here. Assuming that you continue sideways along this range, maybe you respect this price level, or maybe you respect this trend line and reach the trend line. Either way, this is what is realistic, a realistic profit goal. What about stop loss? Is upside. If you break out to the trend line and higher than this all-day high, then something changed. That it means something. Let's see. Yes. Now the ES shows intention to go downward, while NQ is trying to push up. Oh, so we just set the entry price at something that we have more confidence that it will trigger, but it's not necessarily the highest that it can reach. So we'll have some stop loss drop down that it reaches something, but even here, it does not mean the trend reversal, the uptrend resume. Because yeah, this resistance level is still defending. So we'll see. Bear with some uncomfortable. Oh, yes, has a breakout. Breakout to the outside. And NK want to go up. Overall, it has an intention to go up. So see, yes, it's trying to go up. It's already breakout and retest to battlefield. Ooh. Can I say can I say if ENA 21 is a effective defense? It really depends on if it close above ENA 21. And the next candle is still close above. Oh, it looks like ENA 21 is performing some defense on ES. And I like to see as a short seller, I like to see this shadow line. It means yeah, the seller is really resume control of the market. Look at this candle. If it keeps going up, then maybe it means something. Then we need to quit because it's already at a trend line. 5 minute candle. But if it reduces, okay, the resistance is effective. So probably gonna push it back. If you cannot cover this, then we cannot assume that the downward confirm is probably like only a retest. Let's see. For ES, it's already covered. Oh, get bounce back. Oh, at least it shows that sellers are working. They are not lazy. If you see the trend line for ES, oh, trend line for ES. Then it looks like it's already breaking out of the trend line and retest, maintain above the trend line. It looks like this is an indication to going up. If you assume that it's trying to go up, see this one. And this one. But if you look at 1 hour, really, it should go down for 1 hour. Well, I don't know. ES is in the middle of this range, so it can either go up or down. So that's why I don't trade ES. I'm trying to trade ES because it shows a clear downward, but I don't trade it now because it's in the middle of the range. I don't know, but for NQ is at the top. So for me, it's easier for me to go short. But yeah, this ENA lines are not make the short decision easy. Oh, it's covering. Oh, it gets defended by ENA. So yeah, here. So we are going short in an uptrend. Reverse the trend. This is not an easy decision. Now look at yes, it's downtrend, covering and resume downtrend. Keep going down, something. Okay, yes, just get rejected. Oh, rejected. Oh, I don't like to see this. But yes, it's just get pump up back. Keep going up. I don't like to see this rejection, which means that ENA is an effective defense for the price action. Hmm. see the second attempt if we can break out, covering these two upward candle and really close underneath ENA 9 at least. This is the second attempt. Oh God. Oh, it does not even go down. Get pushed up directly. So let's just set the stop loss here. So if he arrives here, break out to the higher high, then probably means trend reversal. It's not the upper trend line is not defending, it's not effective anymore. Okay, and wait for this 5-minute candle. If it keeps going down, we can trade this trend, trading this stop loss. Okay, it looks like the second attempt works. Oh, 4 minutes left. Anything can happen. But it just cannot show a downward momentum like this one again. And this, yeah, it get pushed back. It just does not show any downward momentum like this one or this one, this one. Yeah, it looks like the downward momentum is keep decreasing. Like upward momentum is almost decreasing. Oh, the trading volume decreasing. So that's why both upward candle and downward candle are becoming smaller and smaller. Hmm. So really, next time I should set the trend at the trend line, draw the trend line first, not set here, but be more aggressive. Set the limit order at the trend line. If I'm wrong, then okay, it seems I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, then the loss will be smaller, but it's still sideways here. So too early to conclude I'm wrong. And it's not good to add position at this time. Add position can only be used to expand victory, winning. It cannot be, ideally, it should not be used for mitigate loss, because you're never sure if you can really mitigate loss. Maybe you are expanding loss. Yes, trying to push up, push down. NQ is green candle for this 5 minute. Hmm. Let's see which one breaks out first. which one break out of the range first. Then you will decide the next the near future direction. It has an intention to go up. Both ticker has an intention to go up for now. Hmm. This feels like triangle consolidation and probably breakout to the upside. This is like, oh yes, shows some like row, something like this. It cannot break to the higher high of this candle. It's lower high already. So it has the intention to go down, but this one, I'm not sure this time. If ES break down, go to the downside and probably arrive here. So when ES arrive here, then the NQ will probably arrive here, or maybe here, maybe here. So conservative estimation, a realistic something, a goal is here, which is another battlefield. Okay. ES shows downward intention, but still not breakout. Both tickers are still in the range. If something is in the range, it does not mean anything. Trying to predict the market is very dangerous. I go short in this uptrend because I see, okay, it arrives at the peak of resistance level, which is tested multiple times before, like multiple times. So I think, okay, I should go short. But the market can keep continue up regardless of the resistance. You can think of another way to perceive this that, okay, the market is trying to break this resistance, and it successfully break one, two, and trying to break, and each time the market is trying to break, then the seller power becomes weaker. So I'm not sure if this time it has a valid defense or it really break out the top. No, we don't know. Oh, what happened? Oh, let's see. ES. Finish. Trying to finish this reverse cup handle to confirm downtrend. Now, okay, it break out this level. Make sure you close underneath this level. So I set the take profit here. So after you arrive here, which is a neckline, then you will probably push back and triple top something. But if it does not stop, that's fine. It keep going up. This is the neckline. 690 is the neckline. So if it keeps breaking out, then I'll find when you retest and show the downward momentum, I go short from there. That's I can always find an opportunity to go short from there. So a realistic take profit trigger is somewhere here. Don't be greedy. Just add a neckline. Probably it will trigger the neckline. This is based on price action. If you base on okay, this is an uptrend, so probably you get defended at ENA 21. That's fair. Then set the take profit here. But I see the ES is already like ENA 9 cross ENA 21 and perform like defending. This is not effective defending. It's the ENA 21 that's defending. But going forward, as the downtrend moves, then the ENA 9 could become an effective defending. So on NQ, the ENA 9 should cross the ENA 21 at least. I mean, follow the ES. They cannot be divergent too much. I mean, there could be and there will always be temporary divergence. There should not be too much. That's what I mean. Okay, let's see. Finish this reverse cup handle pattern. Shoulder, hand, shoulder. So it's going up here, going down here. I'll wait for the completion of this 5-minute candle and see the next 5-minute candle is keep going down, then I'll move my stop loss. At this time, only like a couple of points. It's too early to move it to make it even. How you get pushback? So this support is effective. See, this support is effective. And here is this support. Previous resistance, current support, this layer is effective. And see if you can break this. The seller power is strong enough to break this support layer. Okay. So far, the downward candle has already covered this two. So it break out this area. So this 714 would be a conservative entry to go short if you are not in a position. I mean, I wait for this candle to cover this upward candle. This downward candle covers upward candle, and then I set a limit order here. It looks like it's still too early. Then I need to respect. If it is too early, only one candle, even if 5-minute candle show up, then I should respect the trend line and set a limit order here. Okay, it gets ENA 21, and it looks like, I'm not sure. Should I move let's see this one. Will you break the ENA 9 or because the ES also shows downward intention. Oh, it bounced back. So this is effective defense. Hmm. Let's see, wait for this candle exceeds the previous low, then we can move the stop loss at the top of this candle. Now it's too early. It's still too early. Come on, yes. Just cover. Okay, build the reverse cup handle. Shoulder, hand, shoulder. Keep going, yes. No, NQ is hesitate to go down. Okay, let's move the stop loss. So anyway, we can never lose in this trade. More or less, we are making some profit. Oh, it breaks out. Breaks out. Shoulder, hand, shoulder. Let's see very close. Because this is ENA 21 for NQ, so it could probably like defense. Break out first and retest above ENA 21. That's what I think for reversal pattern. Oh, we get rejected here, which means this is a valid defense, even it shows a downward intention. If the ES gonna arrive here, then the NQ will probably arrive here, which is the pre-market high. Is it? Oh, it's not. Oh, you see, somewhere the high is here. Okay, then it's a little bit aggressive to set here because the battle is what's realistic is here. To align the pre-market high. You see the London session high? Not really. But this is the high as far as I can see, most recent high, and this is the an obvious resistance pushback and buyers resume attack. Get pushback here, something here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, this no greedy. Oh, what's going on? like ENA 9. It looks like after consolidation, you're just trying to flush. The candle size becomes bigger and bigger. It's trying to go down and keep in this range something. Not greedy. This is 5 minute candle. So if we trace along this 5 minute, if you trace the ENA 21, that's fair because after this is a reversal. It's upward and it reversed to downward. So it could probably retest above ENA 21. But if we say, okay, this is just a retest, it's gonna arrive somewhere here and get bounced back, then it makes more sense to trace the 5 minute candle, each one, tracing the above. So let's see. There are 3 more minutes. But if it breaks out here, then probably it will arrive here. Yeah, it's around the same range for ES somewhere, for NQ somewhere around here. It's a little bit aggressive, but based on this momentum, I trust it. Keep going, fighting. Oh, get rejected here. You kidding me? Oh, ES becomes green. Means a fight back. NQ is also fight back. Oh, if I get kicked out, that means trend reversal. See? If I get kicked out. Oh, I get kicked out. So eventually the effective defense is somewhere here. Yeah, the trend does not change. So that means, oh, we need to be more conservative. Change the trend line somewhere here. This is an effective defense support level. But good thing we make some money. You should probably like set the profit target here, but who knows? Now it's sideways. We know that. And it's not good to go long at this time. Because who knows? It will continue sideways. Difficult to trade. How much we make? 14. Oh, 100 something. Good, I'm happy. You should make 200. Yeah, be more conservative and see the rejection here multiple times. Here, 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 here. All these rejection points. Oops, it looks like downward continues. If it exceeds this high, I will flat. If it exceeds the previous high, I will flat. Because it shows this is just a retest and it keeps going back. The seller will resume control. That's what I think. So the upward continues. Flat. So it's like 733. Oh, it's like 40 to 50 range. It's not worth trading. Not worth trading anything during this range. We will wait for the breakout. Wait for the breakout. That way, I don't need to get back. Oh, what happened? I just switch and I see some big momentum like this. What happened? It keeps going up. So what's the entry setup for going long? Obviously, look at 1 hour. Oh, not 1 hour. I probably want to see time frame, 15 minutes. Yeah, even for 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, I want to see obvious um breakout, something at least here or arrive here, which is the support level and potential resistance level and back test showing upward somewhere around here. 0.6, 0.6 to 0.8 of this candle. This candle, 0.6 or 0.8. But even it shows some downward intention, something like this, red become red here and there. I will not go short because even I go short, it's just this range. It's not worth trading. It keeps sideways, huh? Oh, if we get back with the equal large, that means this is volatility. Not good for new traders. Either way, I should not trade in this range. Oh, 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 what's going on? So this resistance is still effective. It's just that this range is so small. It's like 40 to 50 points. If it's 100 points, that's another story. It's worth to trade the sideway, like going short at the upper bow, going long at the lower bow, something. But seems like 50 points is not worth the effort. It's not worth the risk. Let's see ES. If ES will break out. Okay, so this level of support is effective and you bump up. Boom, boom, breakout, retest trend line, and okay, this is not coincidence. It just retest the trend line, keep breaking, but keep watching. Two more candles. Essentially, the next candle behind this momentum candle defines the lower bow, which is defended by ENA9. So if you want to go long, we gonna go long here, but it's very easy, especially during this sideway, that could be a fake breakout. So if you go long here, probably you get checked by fake breakout, even the ESS breakout. You say, okay, follow ES, NQ to follow. No, not necessarily. Let's see. Only for mm. Yeah, during this time, I check my email and something, because no matter what, I just would not enter into a trade. I just wait for a couple more candles, like each candle is 5 minutes, to make the overall setup more obvious. It's not that obvious. Currently, it's sideway. Sideway means no trading though. Sideway with small range. That means no trading though. So I'm gonna check personal email. For years, it looks like this is a retest, and retest is ending. Keep going down. For NQ, it's like, okay, triple top, let's see. Down, 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 down. There are some RSI divergence, but it's not that obvious. Not obvious that was trading. So this sideway RSI sideway is continue. I mean, it's possible, very possible to continue. Okay, this resistance is effective. For years, it's like, okay, resume downtrend. When it covers this downward upward candle and confirm downtrend, it's already half of the range, so it's not worth an entry at this time. That's why I hate this huge momentum candle. It does not give me any opportunity. No, if you check a 3-minute chart, then maybe it gives me some opportunity actually. Hmm. So the reversal is not that easy. The short long short long switch, it has a lot of struggling. See, the ENI is trying to coming close to ENI 21 and gets back and trying to coming close again and see if it gets bounced back this time. If it really cross and keep expanding the distance between ENI 9 and 21, then we can confirm downtrend and take a retest to enter. But this time, who knows? It will probably get rejected here somewhere and keep sideways. Oh. Mm. Mm. Okay, another 5 minute keeps going down. Or get bounce back here. You don't even. Yeah, maybe get bounce back here. So it's not even arrive here at this time. Even it shows some good momentum downward candle. Okay, it shows ENA9 could be a very defensive, very defense. Well, for NQ is still sideway. For ES, it means okay. For ES, it's going down, but I'm not sure. Let's see, trend line. So this is the defense. Oh, trend line. This is the defense. Um, um, this looks like another triangle. It's gonna bounce back, something like this. Oh, okay, we'll see if we can break close underneath this line to confirm Dow trend. No hurry. We have so much space, even if, right, we have a lot of space for the downside. Same thing for NQ. Oh, NQ, we have even more space. Is here, something like here, 150 point, big enough. So no hurry. Wait for the trend confirmation. Oh, at this time, it does not even arrive right there. Then it starts the bounce back. Hmm? It looks like ENA 9 is trying to cross ENA 21 at this time. For ES, it's already crossed, and it's just the distance keeps expanding. But for NQ, it's still in the range. Yes, Okay, still in the range. This is the most dangerous situation. If you want to go short earlier, go short at the upper bow. That will be safe. If you go short here, then it's very likely that you go short at the bottom. Let's see. And this way is not okay to go short. We just let it break out and wait for the retest and resume. Downward resume. Downtrend resume. Yeah. But if it does not break out, that means it's a trap. Okay, it covers this one. See if you can stay underneath and let the ENA 9 cross ENA 21. Yeah, this shows some RSI divergence, but it's not that obvious. So I'm a little bit hesitant. It's not that obvious to let me full confident, get me full confident. Okay, this looks like a perfect setup. Big momentum, smaller momentum. It's like a relax and consolidation. And the next one, either is stretch and keep downward, either the downward momentum decreasing and showing the upward covering candle. But for years, it's showing like star. That looks like it's consolidation and it will keep moving, but who knows? If it's showing a reverse, then maybe I can. Oh, it shows upward covering. So for ES, this is like a reverse. But even this reverse, then we'll see how it reacts to this trend line. This space is small enough that it's not worth any trade here. Small enough. And same thing for NQ. So it does not even reach here to get rejected. The buyers are defending higher, higher, higher. So it's like higher low, higher low, higher low, something. Uptrend uh, is still uptrend. Mm. We'll see the very close. We'll wait for the compression of this candle. So sometimes the ENA lines will just they just lagging behind. They cannot follow whatever the price action is moving. See, for the ES is like another star, something which shows indeterministic, but the NQ already shows shows a great confirmation going up. But yes, it's not worth the trade under this space. We'll see how it breaks out and retest and resume. Oh, keeps going up. Mm. Okay. Mm. Oh, it resumes downward. See if it can break out the trend line. Mm. Hmm. I'm not sure. I would like to see it really breaks out and confirms downtrend. At this time, it's still uptrend. Higher, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. Uptrend. So just wait. We like to see the trend breaker. Break of a character. Yeah. So it is sideway in this area. Not worth trading. This is like dangerous. It's still uptrend. So try to look for opportunity to go long. But it's already at the upper bound. Upper bound of a range in bigger time frame. So it's very risky to go long because probably like you wanna go short. It keeps sideways. Market has more than 70% of the time like sideways in varieties of scale. Like this is in a small scale sideway, and this is bigger scale like sideway, bigger time frame sideway. Right. Anyway, it's just sideway. So this is at upper bound, so we need to look for opportunity to go short, but it's really uptrend. So if you want to go long, then break, obviously break here and maybe meet this resistance and force back and resume uptrend, resume upward covering candle. Then we can resume up. For this one, for if you want to go short, okay. See, this is just the range that all the battlefield, effective and meaningful support right here. So break this support and retest, go covering candle, go short. Then that's where we can go short. And it's sideway here, 11:30, almost 11:30. So probably we don't have a trade today for the rest of today. Um, yeah. Okay. It looks like ES is trying to break the line, moving down, while ES is still sideways, somewhere around here. ES is moving down. NQ is sideways. It's still in the range, so a little bit risky because it's in the middle of the range. It's not alive for our setup. But let's just try the short here, assuming that it breaks out to the downside. So NQ will follow, hopefully. See, it's always in the sideway, while ES just keep going down, down, down. The ENA9 keeps going down. Of course, it will probably like retest somewhere here. It retest to ENA9. And we'll see. Probably I go short at the bottom again. But this shows a lack of momentum to going up, but who knows? It gets rejected by the trend line. God. So probably it's like a fake breakout to trap me. So probably I should set the limit order at the upper bound of this sideway, assuming that, okay, before it going down, it will have another sideway. Sideway like something. So probably I need to set the limit order right here. Okay, yes, make another trial to break out to the downside. And a little bit hurry, formal. And I just enter into the trade in the middle of the micro range and in the middle of a bigger range, and but on another big something I go short somewhere around here, which is fair because on this range on the upper bound, so it's supposed to go short if it shows downward momentum. It's trying to go break out again and see how it goes for this time. Oh, oh, it keeps going down. Wait a minute, because it gets rejected here. It gets rejected here, so probably after it goes some distance, I will probably set up some trading stop loss to defend my profit, secure my profit. Um, okay, just be careful. It reaches the this support again. We get strong rejection when we arrive here. Same thing. We get strong rejection. So even you break out something, it seems like ENA 9 is trying to cross with ENA 21, then need to be patient, need to be careful. It could probably be a fake breakout, then buyers resume control. See if we break out of this range because there's a defense, very strong defense around this line. So probably I will take profit. If he shows hesitation, some intention to bounce back here, but this is previously. But now ENI is trying to cross ENA 21, so things could change. But I'm not sure. See, this is higher low, so it's still uptrend. And this one get pushed back around here, which means the defense at this layer is still strong. So if buyer resume and push it back to here, then it means it's a fake breakout, fake out. Oh, yes, resumes to the range. But it does not cover this, does not cover here, so it's still a retest. Oh, it covers. That's not good. Oh, it's a fake breakout, it seems. Let's see ENNI, if ENNI is defending. Yeah, I see. I check ES chart to trade NQ. um, okay, see the second line. If ES keeps bounce back, if it's continue to go down, then this is like consolidation. But if it bounce back, then we need to quit the trade. Good thing is for NQ, we have enough space. Oh, it looks like. And the boundary is just battling. See if seller will resume control. If not, okay, keep going down. If you exceed this lower previous low, then I'll probably set a trading stop loss here. Secure my profit. Go. Go to a lower low. Exceeds the previous low. Go. Yeah, keep going, maybe. Okay, in that way, I can set a trading stop loss here. Buy. And moving here. I'm not sure if I should set a take profit here, but this lesson is different. See, it's already crossed. It's not like the last time. It's trying to come. It's coming close, but it's not trying to cross. And so it gets bounced back, but immediately the resistance is very strong. Not only effective, it's very strong. Bounce back, and this time it crossed. So maybe the story gonna be different. I don't know. But for ES, yeah, it's at a trend line, it just consolidation and resumes the journey, downward journey. Check the 15 minutes. Okay, if it reaches here or here, then that's good. For NQ, it will probably reach here or here. This is very, this area is very severe, and I will not surprise if it has a lot of battle here, around this area. So I will probably train my stop loss somewhere here, or maybe I just take profit. May wait for the next breakout to re-enter into a trade. Yeah, because when the battle happens, nobody is sure who gonna win. Why should I bet who gonna win? I just okay, who gonna win? I just follow who. I just follow whoever is the winner. Keep going. I don't set a take profit. I just trade about each 5 minutes and see how far it goes. We'll get kick out. We'll get kick out for the first three trades. If it exceeds this line, I'll probably move the oh 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 oh. What happened? What happened? Looks like even this micro like RSI divergence will have flush. You cannot conclude a flush, but obviously it has already break out this something. So let's see 3 minutes. Yeah, for 3 minutes. This is a reasonable trading style. After it sees this, I'm moving here or moving here. Otherwise, it's gonna bounce back. Huh. Mm. 4, 5. This is A. So change this to A, but it looks like its range is a little bit, the volatility reduced big enough. I don't know, but we can trail along with 3 minute line. Oh, you're gonna kick me out. You're gonna kick me out. If it kicks me out, that means this is the support is effective and it's potential. There's a potential trend reversal. Don't go into a trade in that case. But if it doesn't, great. You're gonna retest to ENA9 maybe. Then you're gonna kick me out. So actually, I should be more conservative to like me ENA9. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. If it exists this line, I will move to the upper side, upper bound of this. Oh, this is like consolidation or bounce back. In this way, I will probably move around here. If it's bounce back, at least I don't lose so much. I secure at least this much. If it's continue, then go ahead. This is 3 minutes. No, I want to see 5 minutes. Oh, this is at the boundary. No wonder. It's fighting back and forth. Cannot add a position at this line. See, we have a clear trend line. Unless it break out the trend line to the down, we cannot add position. Maybe bounce back. The support level is still effective. Bounce back and kick me out. And I'm okay with that for this profit. Hmm. Really, it's really trying to bounce back. Oh, almost trigger our stop loss. Okay, buyers are working really hard. Another 5 minutes. Okay, keeps going up. Yes, keeps going up. They just kick me out. Okay. I get kicked out, so potential reverse, something like this. Draw the trend line. So this is the breakout retest. Maybe this is if it never gets back, it never breaks this trend line, just keep going up. That means this is a fake breakout. Yeah, see, this is a fake breakout. So there is still very strong support, like buyers, strong buyers and hardworking buyers defending here. Not easy to make money. Oh, hmm. Less than $200. Not easy to make money. I'll retest to ENA9. For NQ, retest to ENA9. The key is to wait for compression of the candle. Uh, do not think, okay, this is like long line. obvious rejection by ENI, then retest is ending. No, it could be a trap, especially at this area. If you go short, it doesn't. There's still a very strong support here that has been verified. So if it just resume here or here, okay, then then you go short and probably you go short at the bottom. Not easy to make money. Okay, is let's see how's the trend line defending to ENA 21. But if it's a huge big momentum upward candle like this, it's not easy to cover it. This time you need to check 3 minute. Oh, 3 minute is a little bit small. So if we cover this, we can go short. Let's see 3 minute. You can see 3 minute for ES and 5 minute for MQ if they are on the same page. Oh, it keeps going up, keeps going up. That probably means it breaks this trend line. That's another story. We wait for the break of the trend line. Oh, wait a minute. Wait for the break of the trend line. Oh, God. Wait for the break for the wait for the break for the trend line. So it's almost there. Wait for the break of this trend line. And retest and upward. If it break to the trend line, that's another story. This is 3 minute. 3 minute is trying to cover downward something. No. Yeah, the lesson taught me should not be greedy, then just take profit wherever here. So in that way, at least I make 200 bucks and I already make 400 bucks something. But now I make less than 200. Okay, breakout. I think it's breakout. Don't go with breakout because it will be easy to prove to be a fake breakout. Let it break out, retest, and resume. Ah, so if we draw the trend line here, we can see how to use this drawing system. Okay, it should retest. Cross. It should retest. But phrase. Okay, it should retest. So let's make a limit order here. And we'll see. Okay, this trend line is effective. So it's downtrend. I mean, from ES, this looks like the situation. But for NQ, I'm not sure this is still sideway trying to break, and this could be fake and break. But and you see this channel is shrinking, is aggregating somewhere, which means the downward momentum is decreasing, decreasing. Hmm. Oh, we are in the trade. So if it exceeds this peak point, I'll quit. Oh, it resumes going up. That's not good. Oh, it's not good. This trend line is not effective anymore. Hmm. If for 3 minutes, maybe I can set out the in order more appropriately. So I should switch to 3 minutes because the chart is more obvious, more characteristics, something. For 3 minutes, I will probably set it here. For 5 minutes, I set in the previous like close something. That's not that precise. See if it's trying something here around here, that means it's trying to break out to the upside. Uh, for years, it looks like mm, sellers resume control of the market. Hmm. Oh, it resumes. Okay, break this trend line. So I will probably go short if I'm not in a short position. This is like a conservative entry. If breaks this, that means the retest is ending. Downward reduce, and if downward reduce, at least you should go here. Even you just want to keep sideways or keep battling. So this time I'm not greedy. I will see. ENA 9 and ENA 21 distance keeps expanding. So I get kicked out somewhere around here. And I re-enter, go into short around here. I don't lose too much. And I avoid the risk that it keeps going up. So that's a very nice trading stop loss. If trading stop loss can combine with take profit, that's even better. Yeah, by this time it seems it's too early to talk about take profit. Downtrend resume is not confirmed yet. At least it should cover this one. Okay, it gets pushed back. Go. Hmm. What's going on? Buyers are so strong. Okay, ENA 21 is defending on 3-minute chart. That's good. But still in the range, and this rejection is so strong. And for NQ 3-minute, it still allow this trend line. So anytime you can break and going up. So Dow trend review is not confirmed. And it looks like it's uptrend. Uptrend resumes. Thirsty is still battling. Jesus, I should not enter into a battling, something like this. I just should not enter into a battling like this. Looks like the upward resumes something. Hmm. Defense. Three minute. Yes, 3 minute. Hmm. Oh, he stepped out of the trend line. Gradually step out of the trend line. That's not a good sign. I will probably quit this trade whenever it shows some positive PNL. Come on, get me some opportunity. Looks like NQ. NQ is trying to go up, but ES is trying to go down. I see a lower low, something right there. Oh no, it's higher low, higher low. Hmm. Hmm. So the retest is not ending right there. It's just consolidation. It shows something to trap me. Let me think, okay, the retest is ending. Keeps going down. but it just bounced back. Fool me again. Okay, then you break out. Then you're wait for the breakout. And see it reduce. Meaningful breakout. Make sure it's uptrend confirm reversal because this is from ES is obviously that the downward momentum keeps decreasing. Oh. Maybe you should touch the peak. Touch the peak as many as possible. It's not that obvious, but yeah. So this line should be something like this. At this time, it's still downtrend. So if it exceeds this line, it will probably go short again. But because there's no obvious breakout and consolidation, like it should break at least here and close something. And there's a retest something. Oh, for ES, it's trying to consolidate. Consolidate around here. I'm not sure if it just stop. This is downtrend, so I cannot go long. I want to go set the limit order, go long here, but I'm not sure if it just stop or just retest and bounce back. It seems this is a micro range. Micro range. Mhm. Very strong defense around here. If you keep going down, I will quit. If you this ends up to be a bullish candle, then yes, this is a nice retest. Retest ending here. Yeah, to use 3-minute chart to set the limit order is more precise. Whenever I see, okay, but the concern is on this time scale, the uptrend is not really confirmed. Although on a big scale, it's overall uptrend. Oh, ES shows an intention to go downward. Hmm, cannot add position. Oh, it goes down. How come? It resumed downtrend. Oh, it has a covering candle, downward covering candle. Yes. At this time, you see everything is so reasonable. Let's see if ES gets defended here. Because it step out of it and maybe keep going up. So really, we should wait for the completion of candle to determine something is ending. We just wait until the first minute. Okay, it has a strong momentum to go upside, so we just enter a limit order here. But it's just a retest and resume downward. That's how we get trapped. Is it gonna extend until here? Okay, let's see this defense. Okay, it looks like effective defense. Mm-hmm. This is my stop loss. RC. This is the defense. This is already covered, so it shows a downward resumption. This is for now. It's just a retest. It does not indicate a reversal or the end of of this retest. So it's still downward. Oh yes, keeps going down. Then probably I don't need to wait for downward confirm. What about the rejection? Yeah, this is a value rejection here. Okay, it gets rejected. Oh, buyers are working hard right there. Hmm. Okay, cover that. Outperform. Oh, it looks like unit 21 is effective defending. Huh. But for 5 minute years, that it shows strong rejection. So I should really follow the price level. Say, hey, whenever there is a very verified strong support, strong resistance set, limit order right there. Rather than, hey, something starts. See the five back starts here, which is very day allow before. So I should set the limit order, the limit order go long somewhere around here. So for this trade, I'm not gonna be greedy. If we can arrive here, I'm good. Around 1.1 risk reward ratio. But it's not there. Yeah. See if this candle line 5 minute. Okay, if this one is pushback, then it's a reversal. But if it keeps going down, that means oh, it looks like a reversal. The really like step out of the trend line and retest and move outward. Not easy. Keep going. So this seems like a resistance. Oh, it bounced back. Really? Okay, it gets rejected. So it's another micro uptrend. Well, this is NQ. It's sideway out here, so anything can happen, especially during this sideway. Probably I should not get into a trade. Something like this. Okay, cover again, see? Cover again, that indicates a downtrend. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I said this one unhappy, but eventually I said to here, because if he bounce back, keep sideway, then you should go somewhere around here. But overall, it's downtrend. CES, oh yes, it's going down so much. Get a strong rejection. Uh-huh. Just want to go down. But guess depending on 5 minute, yes, it's going up. It remains green. Oh, not green. Hmm. But there's a proof verified defense around here. Oh, long rejection. I don't like that. Hmm. Hmm. This is like triangle, sideway. And this time, not sure who gonna win. I guess I can probably move here. If you reach to here again, that means something. See, yes, it's arrived here, and NQ cannot arrive something. It's getting higher and higher. But if you break here, then you break the structure in a micro time frame. Defend, defend. Come on. Oh no. Keeps tower. Hmm. Oh no, there's a defense right here, and it has been verified multiple times. Multiple attack, seller attack gets defended. Very small trading volume. Okay, defending. Hmm. Okay, I get kicked out again. As I set up, I don't wait for the compression of the candle and see, hey, this is the end of the test. So if we go to this, then it's still uptrend. So I go long. Then I should wait because it shows strong momentum somewhere here. So I should really wait for the compression. But now, yes, it's breakout. So the downtrend resumes. Then we miss the opportunity to go short because it should retest a little bit above like ENA 21. Good thing is it has not leave for NQ, it has not leave the sideway something. So it's still lose. Uh, something. Oh, lose more. So I only daily PNL 59. God, not easy to make money. Oh, it's like liquidity speed. At this time, we cannot confirm this is a really a liquidity speed. Because it has not been 30 minutes. Maybe the slash happened in the last 10 minutes. You just wait. So something like, okay, this is star and this is the downward shadow line is longer than the upward shadow line and equal and upward liquidity, micro liquidity, downward micro liquidity. That means it's still sideway allowed here. No trading zone. No trading zone. It's still sideway. Of course, if you want to perform like quick scale, then you can go. But it's super risky. Mhm. Yes, shows a pattern like the downward momentum keeps decreasing. So probably will break out. It just fool me like this. Okay, it step out, gradually step out. I say, okay, maybe you should just something. But it actually ends up going to the downside. But NQ is just okay, sideway, but consolidating in a lower half. So this for now is still a retest. You see, gets defended by ENA9 and it's still in this range. No trading though. I mean, it looks like it's gonna break out, but let's wait for the breakout. We have so much space. Oh, more than 150. Oh, no worry. 150 points. Oh, yes, keep going down. And NK is still in the range. So, no, because it's still in the range and you can retest. And when you retest, the NQ probably retest to here. No. Hmm. So the reason I get full by years is like it's actually a sideway in a downward channel. So it make a new lower low, lower low, but still in the channel. While the NQ is making a sideway in a parallel channel. So just keep in mind the point is they are still sideway. It's just different direction or perspective. So while they are sideway, you see it's making a lower low, but it's still in the sideway. So no. Yeah, you don't go short just because you are still in the sideway. But if we set oh, oh, why this is so difficult to use? It's just trying to slow down my speed so that I behave like more patient. God, so difficult to use this system. Okay, the reverse cup handle is forming. Do we go short here? Or do we wait until we test to something? Keep in mind, this is verify like support level. So we'll see. See, it gets retest. This is a reverse cup, but what? Yeah, I'll probably put a sell something. It's already complete and it's at the handle. See if it retest to here and my stop loss will be here. So stop loss some distance 101. Oh, it gonna cover, it gonna retest to here in one candle. I don't expect this. It looks like the defense is strong. Like somewhere around here. Yeah, this way. Oh, you're gonna retest to the upper bound of this range for ES. And for NQ, yes, they're gonna retest to upper bound of this range if we call this a trend line. Something. How to draw this? Okay, this is the previous nice support for this something something. So for now, it becomes after it break out, it becomes the resistance. That's fair. So it gets resisted here. This is fair. Come on, reach to this level again. Okay, we are in a short trade and see this complete cup handle, how it performs. Now overall is uptrend, but from microstructure is consolidating. It's consolidating for downward and it triggers this defense value and see and build this complete reverse cup handle. Let's see if we will break out of this structure and going downward. So you already enter into the trade and allow the trend line. So it breaks the trend line. We know that, okay, assumption fair. Assumptions are invalid. So we're gonna quick leave the trade as early as possible. But for years, it looks like there is some distance. You're gonna retrace to this trend line, or like somewhere around ENA 21. So probably for NQ around here, we're gonna we're gonna add some more position. For example, here. Break the trend line. Okay, it aligns with here, which is supposed to be my stop loss. But why a reverse cup handle reaches here and why it looks like gonna something and resume a bigger trend, which is upward. This is a reverse cup, and this is in a peak, and it already shows this circle. Then you're gonna resume back and keep sideways. Come on, don't fool me like that. Oh, for yes, it shows downside. It resumes downtrend. So retest ending here. And NK will probably follow. So you're gonna make a lower low, probably. But NQ has not covered. This looks like more like a retest. But NQ should cover. If NQ cover, that secure the downtrend. That will be adding some confidence. If this carbon handle gets rejected here rather than go up, then it should at least arrive here to start battling. Bye. Oh, for now it does not cover. 5 minute, 3 minute. Oh, both are 5 minute chart. NQ shows some intention to go upward, while ES shows this is a bearish candle. Hmm. The thing is, if we arrive here, then probably add something to drag the average price, and then find an opportunity to leave the trade. we to minimize the loss. Yeah, that's the plan. Looks like it's still defending. Mm. It's not necessary that reverse cup K, reverse cup setup or something. We'll check. It does not necessarily mean that you will continue to go down. And even this ENA 9 has across ENA 21. It's just that, okay, there are chances that it keeps going down. Here is an example. It gets bounced back. Oh, good thing I go short here rather than here. I go short, yeah, here. Oh, it breaks out the trend line. That's not good. And probably I need to set the complementary order here. Oh, things are not going good. This is consolidation, and it keeps moving up and see if it breaks the trend line. Again, defended by ENA 9. Hmm? Reduce rather. But it does not mean the seller zero control. This is more like a retest. It does not cover the previous upward candle. But okay, this is a valid resistance. As long as it's not covered, we cannot conclude. So I don't move my complementary order to here. Cover it. Come on. Show me a strength, sellers. Okay, great. This way. Yeah, I can move my complementary order right here. Oh, you barely dropped it here. Don't fool me. Come on. Oh, it gets rejected. That means, hmm, should not conclude anything until the completion of the candle. It changes. Yeah, it seems like ENA 9 and 21 is the effective defense and pushing the price action to the upward, to the upside and fool me. Yeah, keep continue to the upside. This is like A. Go. Yes, is showing downward intention. NQ is upward intention, green candle, but none of them break out. So not concluded yet. If somebody is break out, probably and it's not aligned with my direction, then probably I need to quit. Oh, what happened? Yes, it's small, but NQ is like, wait a minute, what happened? Going outside. Is it like liquidity sweep? Come on, 50, 10, 50. Okay, because the ankle has so huge something, but ES does not have so many, and you could probably like liquidity sweep, because ES does not have equivalent like big moves, so that could be a fake signal. We'll see. ES showing downward stance. What's going on? Who is gonna buy? But this is like some pattern that's potential breakout that we need to quit. Hmm. But yes, shows downward intention. Downward, downward. That means the market is trying to, the seller takes control. Is that correct? I wish I need to quit. I wish I can quit the trade, but it looks like it's trying to resume to the downtrend. It's like liquidity sweep. If this is a liquidity sweep, that means no warrant, then the small money gonna move down. See, yes, it's moving down and no huge upward candle, while NQ is trying to trigger a lot of, this is liquidity sweep. Yeah, I'm in a short trade, so I have bias towards the short direction, and this is what is a reasonable clarification. Liquidity sweep, right? Yeah, the ES reduced downward, and NQ finally reduced downward. Scares me. If liquidity is be like this, then the downward gonna be huge. Let's see. That means there's no liquidity. That's fair because the trading volume is small, so you're trying something. But for ES, it does not need to do that. It does not need to do that. So it's relatively small and resume downward. Maybe I should move my something here. At least you reach here, right? Oh, oh. I think at least you're gonna. Yeah, I'm greedy. So, uh, I'll probably like buy and set a stop loss to make sure I never lost. I'm greedy, but I see yes, it's going down, and this is huge liquidity speed. So I think it's reasonable to be greedy. Let's see 3 minute chart. Oh, 3 minute. Right about here. If I get kicked out, I just kick out. I'm fine as long as I make money for this trade. Oh, you kick me out? Okay, kick me out. So I should not be greedy. I should just take profit here. And I say this multiple times. Go, Jesus. Now it becomes, hmm, oh my. Well, the volatility is big because the trading volume is small. Is that correct? Come on. Make some a couple of profit, like 20 or 30 bucks. Resume here. I'm gonna quit. See, this is keep going down. The retest is something around here. Oh my God. Hmm. This is really challenging for mental capacity. Only 3 minutes. I'm not gonna trade. Not gonna enter into any trade because this defense remains effective across the line. Every time you kick this defense, the buyer power gets decreased, gets concealed. And there's once upon a time, then the seller gonna win and the buyer gonna lose. And after so many times of trial, it gets strong defense, strong bounce back. Oh, it's not funny, this game. Theory and real life has some difference. Um, oh, what's the date? What's the daily P&L? 134. Good enough. I'm happy. Oh, what's this? I'm happy. Okay, so much for the day. The thing is, when we see this, when we see this, okay, NQ has a huge candle, but while ES does not huge, then we know that probably it's liquidity speed for NQ. Okay, you reduce to the down to the downward. Really, I should trade ES. That is not that challenging on my mental status. But I'm already in a trade with NQ. Yeah, that's why. So it's not funny to play in this market. Then that's how we identify liquidity speed, track ES chart to trade NQ. And obviously, if you get a little money, then just quit the trade. New traders are not supposed to play this volatility. Is I think the volatility happens after like exactly at 10 minutes from market close. See? So whenever you see this volatility, it's sideways, keep sideways, and make some money, then just quit. Quit. Yeah, I want to go short from here, but no, it's already market close. So much for today. Thank you very much. Bye.